Hello, what you have seen in thumbnail is 100% legit. Let me just show you how to earn money by writing reviews on your college and get a cashback of 120 rupees. Let me just go into my screen and show you. It's not just 120 rupees. You will get around 500 rupees if you are from tier 1 college. And there is some terms and condition for to write the review. First thing is you have to write a legit review about your college, and you should have a valid Paytm account which is currently inactive. So let me just go into it. First, this is what the link. I will give it into your description. Just copy it and paste into the Chrome browser. Chrome browser. Paste the link. This is a website you will go into it. The first one is the website name called College Dunia. The purpose of this website is you will explore many of the colleges and know the reviews about the colleges. It gives an opportunity for you to write a review onto your college and give the money for the review. So over here you will see that these many people have earned money by this date. See over here, the review rewards and earn up to 200. It's for tier 3. If you are from tier 1, you will earn a 500 rupees for each review. It's not only for writing review, and you can just refer other your friends so that you will earn a commission of rupees 20 for tier 3 college. It's not for tier 1. For tier 1 you will get around 50 rupees for each review. So let me just go and say you how to write a review. Select your college first thing and your course. Minus mechanical. So I just type it, and next one is your name, your email address, and your phone number, gender, year of admission, course fees, I mean your college fees for the academic year, your marks in 10th, and your percentage, and your 10th board and percentage. It's all optional. Did you avail reservation benefits? Yes. If you have availed the reservation benefits, so click on yes. If not, no. Your class size. If you opted hostel, you can just click on yes. Does your college provide placement? If yes, click on. And does your college provide internship opportunity? If yes, click on yes. Next one, name the other colleges of course you have applied for. If you don't want it, just don't leave it empty. Click on save next. Next one is you will get an OTP to verify your number. Submit your OTP. You're done. Next thing is you just have to write reviews regarding your college. The first question is how was admission process? Have you took any entrance exam? Have you took any entrance exam? Discuss application process and cutoff of your college. I will and It's mandatory to write a review, a maximum of 200 words. If you're done with 200 words, you can just skip it. Nor it's not mandatory to go for 1,000 words. Yeah, 200 is enough, and 200 is mandatory. So next step is rate your college overall experience, and then next review. How is the course curriculum and faculty members? You have to write about the courses and faculty members. Yeah, yeah. Rate your college course and faculty members. Next thing is discuss the fees hike policy and cost to study, and rate your course over affordability. Next one is how is the life at campus? Discuss about the social life and club. How are the placements of your college? And the eighth one, give details of internship opportunity available in your college. How would you rate your internship experience? One star. Give a title for your review. I think adventure. And the next step is upload. You have to upload your photo. You have to agree at terms and conditions and save and publish. If you have your ID card or else your graduation certificate, you could just upload it and you will get the 20 rupees extra bonus for it. Apart from it, you can just skip it if you don't have. And another thing about the money, you will receive the money if your review get approved. It will take around 1 to 2 hours to approve your review, and you will receive a money. If you just want to earn by referring, you could just copy the link and share it to your groups, and you will receive incentives, or we can call this refer money, around 20. It will range around 50 to 20 by your college tiers. Let me just show you the proof which I have earned in the website. Let me go to the wallet. See, this is my name, and if you just scroll down, you can see this from college dunia with private limited. I just got 20 for my ID card as well as for my review. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, just share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.